The product of the roots of the equation log to the base 2, 2 log x to the base 2 the whole square minus 5 log x to the base 2 plus 6 equal to 0 is. We simplify this. Log to the base 2 of 2 power that I can say it is log x to the base 2 whole square minus log 2 to the base 2 minus 5 log x to the base 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Log 2 to the base 2 is 1. So this is nothing but log x to the base 2 whole square minus 5 log x to the base 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Say log x to the base 2 is equal to y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. So it's quite simply y minus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is 2 or 3. Y is log x to the base 2. So log x to the base 2 is 2 or 3. Or x is 2 power 2 or 2 cube. 2 square or 2 cube. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8. Or x could be 4 or 8. 4 will work and 8 will work. The question is product of the roots of the equation. The two roots are 4 and 8. Product of the roots is 4 into 8. 12. Done. Through.